Hi everyone, Petalisbless here. I am coming on today to share with you guys my review update on this hair that I'm wearing, and it's from a hair company called Nadula Hair Company. Yeah, I'll put the name right across here. And what I have in is their Brazilian body wave, and the lengths I have in is 18, 16, 14, and a 14-inch closure. Yeah. So I'm back to give you guys, this is my 1 month and a little bit. Yeah, just over a month. Just over a month I've been rocking this hair now. And I honestly love this hair. It's really nice. It's still soft. Still very soft. It holds its curled. It's not dried out. It's very nice. And when I wear it, like, it is on a wig. I made a wig out of it on a mesh dome cap. I don't get tangling, I don't get matting at the back, which is really nice, you know. And like I said, it's not dry. Okay, I don't get shedding. With this hair, I don't get shedding, which is very nice. I don't get shedding with this hair, and I hate if there's hair all over the place. Especially the washroom floor when you're doing something, you know, when you're doing your hair. I just hate that. I hate it. So I don't have shedding with this hair, and my ends are still nice, you guys. Can you see that? See my ends? My ends are still nice. And the hair is not dry. Hope you can notice that too. The hair is not dry. It's super cute. And the hair is really nice. It's still soft. It's still manageable. And it holds a curl, which is super nice. It holds the curl. And I love that about it, because I like when I take off my wigs, I can put them on the mannequin, or even hang them up behind my door if you don't have a mannequin head. Hang it up behind your door or on your doorknob, wherever you have. Hang it up, and then I get up the next morning, get myself together, and slap on back the wig. I don't have to go get no flat iron or curling wand and, you know, put back in the curls again, because they're there. Yeah, and I like that. And I have done a heavy curl before with the wand where I really curl it up and it held the curls. And then, but I like the wavy curls with my straight hair. If I want curly hair, I wear curly hair. When I wear this kind of hair, I like the waves. You know, so I just combed it out. When I did the tight curls, I combed it out as much as I could. And got it to be more wavy, because that's how I like my straight hair, wavy. My body wave hair. Yeah, I like it wavy. Yeah, like I said, it holds those waves. It holds it for days, which I love. So I thought I'd just come on and share with you guys how this hair is faring, which is very good. I do recommend this hair. I give this hair a 9 out of 10, you guys. A 9 out of 10. I really do. It's really nice. It's really manageable. Like I said, it's not dry, which is good. Yeah. And I'm loving it. And they have longer lengths. They have shorter lengths, whatever your preference is. And they have other textures of hair over on Nadula's hair site, and they have curly, they have frontals, they have straight hair, you know, or you can get a closure like I did and make your wig with that, or even sew it onto your hair if you like sew-ins. Whatever your preference is fine. So like I said, I am recommending this company. Their hair is really good. And if their straight hair is good, I know their curly hair is good, you guys. Yeah, because straight hair is where it takes it in. You know, when you get straight hair, it might be good for the first week or the first 2 weeks that you have it, but it's the time after that that counts, and you see what the hair is really about, you know. And this hair is about it. Yeah, it's really good. I can recommend it. Yeah, so I'm gonna leave a link below to Nadula Hair Company, so you guys can go over and check out what they have. And they have little good deals going on, you guys. Their hair is affordable, you know, for the package deal, or if you just want to buy bundles, that's good too. But it's affordable and it's good quality hair. Yeah, so I'll leave the link below, and I'll leave some other textures links down there for you guys to click on and check them out, so you can see what they have to offer, what you like, and get some nice hair for yourself. Spring is coming. Yeah. Although winter doesn't want to go away, but spring is coming. Alright, you guys. Thank you so much for coming on and hearing my update on my Nadula Brazilian body wave here, length 18, 16, 14, and a 14-inch closure, you guys. All right. Remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless. Bye-bye, you guys.
Baby, why's your man out here? Tell me where he gone. Tell me why's your man out here?